Now the cavalry arrives in the shape of the other cheetahs, and they are sorely needed. Their victim is a fully grown bull. With the others will have to do without him for a while. They have never taken on a fully grown bull before, and soon reach their limits. They eventually manage to administer the decisive bite. The wildebeest gradually loses consciousness. They have finally made it. A sworn alliance of determined warriors, all for one, and one for all. Even though they row with one another every so often, if they stay healthy, they could rule the plains of the northern Serengeti for many years to come. No other cheetah would stand a chance.